What going on, people? So I do wanna drop 2 new songs, you know what I mean? And 2 of them bad. One named Finessing and the other one is Big Baller, which I listened to both of them thoroughly. And Aidonia is a flow god. Everyone know that. And a flow is flowing in these two beats. But honestly, I rate Big Baller more because he has a better flow, even though he's not using like in a long time slang, and he's using it on a new beat, but he's flowing. That's why I like it, because he just incorporate all of that, and Aidonia really can flow. And this rhythm is like, it was really constructed for Aidonia to flow on it. I don't know if it's direct how the beat's supposed to be, but it's like that's how Aidonia flow. So I like this Big Baller more. You know what I mean? Finessing, it's okay. You know what I mean? It's an okay song. I would say it's like a 85, but I'm giving like Big Baller 95 then. You know what I mean? So that's why I say 2 of them, they're 2 good songs, but I like Big Baller more because Aidonia is flowing on the beat, and everyone know that Aidonia, any beat to give Aidonia to flow and give him a rap beat, any beat, Aidonia is gonna flow on a beat, and that's why I always rate him, and that's why he's not gonna be irrelevant, because even when he's old, he's gonna have fresh beat, and he's gonna be flowing on fresh beats because Aidonia know how to flow. You know what I mean? He's not a banger still. Neither of them are a banger. You know what I mean? Banger is a better song, but 2 good songs them nonetheless. You know what I mean? So big up J.O.P. Peace. I'm out.
So you have to look on. And him do great works too, because even though him dey jail, him still be the champion DJ boy. And some boy we say them did want him go jail.
The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. The biggest dancehall analyst in the world, Ninja Man. I am saying that. Wait for the Williams. Take me on that if you wish.